Did you know Gamo Air Rifles are some of the most powerful tools for hunters? Let's see which ones stand out. Hey everyone! If you're looking for the best Gamo Air Rifles for hunting in 2024, you've come to the right place. Whether you're an experienced hunter or just starting out, Gamo offers top-tier rifles designed for accuracy, power, and reliability. In today's video, we'll break down the top 7 best Gamo Air Rifles, highlighting their features, performance, and what makes them stand out. Stick around because our one pick is packed with features that make it an unbeatable choice. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Which Gamo rifle is your favorite? Let's dive in. 5. Gamo Swarm Magnum 10X Gen 3 Inertia Fed 22 caliber. 14. Duke University. Looking for raw power? The Gamo Swarm Magnum 10X G3I delivers a jaw-dropping 1300 FPS with drop 22 caliber pellets. This rifle isn't just powerful, it's a beast. Key feature: the thumbhole stock might feel unusual at first, but it offers excellent stability and control, especially for precision shooting. Noise level: expect a loud crack. It's not backyard friendly unless your neighbors are hunters too, perfect for rural settings. Cocking his rifle. Scope: the included scope is decent, but upgrading to a higher quality one will unlock its full potential. Once dialed in, this air rifle consistently hits quarter-size targets at 50 feet, a powerful choice for hunters who don't mind putting in the work to master it. The Gamo Swarm Fusion 10X Gen 3I Inertia Fed 22 caliber. The Gamo Swarm Fusion is an all-arounder, offering a blend of power and convenience. Accuracy: the iron sights with a rear white outline make target acquisition quick and precise, perfect for fast-action shooting. SSSI. Magazine system: smooth and reliable, with only occasional misfeeds during testing, handy for rapid shots though not always necessary in hunting scenarios. Power: the 22 caliber pellets hit hard, but the sound is backyard safe. Just ensure you've got a solid backstop. Whether you're relying on the crisp trigger, iron sights, or the 10-shot magazine, this rifle offers a balanced and reliable experience for hunters and hobbyists alike. 3. Gamo Swarm Maxxim 22 caliber. The Gamo Swarm Maxxim brings multi-shot capability and value to the table, but with some trade-offs. Summarize here. Features: a gas ram system and 10-shot magazine-fed loading ensure smooth operation without jams. What's next? Performance. While it's lightweight and easy to handle, accuracy can be inconsistent, with noticeable vertical stringing in tests. Scope: the included 3940 scope isn't great. Expect to replace it for better results, especially if you're aiming for precision. Despite its accuracy limitations, the Swarm Maxxim is a fun and affordable option for casual shooters looking for multi-shot convenience. 2. Gamo Big Cat 1250 August 2nd, 12050 caliber. The Gamo Big Cat 1250 is a powerhouse, reaching up to 1250 FPS with PBA Platinum pellets. It's loud but effective, making it a reliable choice for small game hunting and pest control. Lightweight build: at just 6.1 pounds, it's easy to carry, with a weatherproof synthetic stock that holds up in tough conditions. Accuracy: with a bit of practice, you can dial in the included 432 scope for solid performance, but upgrading it will unlock its true potential. Trigger: the 2-stage trigger offers a smooth 3.74-pound pull, ideal for intermediate to advanced shooters. For those ready to step up their game, the Big Cat 1250 delivers power, durability, and value, all for under $150. 1. Gamo 611006335 Swarm Fusion 10X Gen 2 177 caliber. Taking the top spot is the Gamo Swarm Fusion 10X Gen 2, a high-powered air rifle packed with innovative features. Performance: hits an impressive 1300 FPS with alloy pellets, delivering unmatched precision and power. Technology: the 10X Gen 3I horizontal inertia-fed magazine ensures smooth, quick follow-up shots, perfect for dynamic hunting scenarios. Noise reduction whisper fusion technology makes it Gamo's quietest air rifle yet. Great for stealthy hunts. Customizable trigger, the Cat. Custom action trigger allows for independent adjustment of the first and second stages, ensuring a personalized shooting experience. Recoil control, the RRR, recoil reducing rail, protects your scope, even with high-speed shots. Complete with a 3.9 scope and a 5-year warranty, this rifle is a hunter's dream, combining power, precision, and reliability. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the Swarm Fusion 10X Gen 2 is the ultimate choice. Final thoughts. And there you have it, the top 7 best Gamo air rifles for hunting in 2024. From the power-packed Swarm Magnum to the feature-rich Swarm Fusion 10X Gen 2, Gamo continues to set the standard for air rifles. If you're looking for raw power, go for the Swarm Magnum. If stealth and precision are your priorities, the Swarm Fusion 10X Gen 2 takes the crown as the best overall choice. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description to find your next hunting companion. Exercise. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.